What's up, YouTube? Just traded this Malibu for this car right here. Little Monte Carlo SS. It's kind of decent. Got a couple little marks and shit on it. Don't look too bad though. Gotta do a little work to it. Little interior shot or whatever. Interior pretty clean though. Take this whack ass shit out. Full 6x9 in the back. It's pretty decent though. Just gotta fix a couple of things. Gonna work on this motor and shit. Gotta take care of this fucking engine. Cause it got this weak ass shit in here. Nuclear 305. It's running real weak right now. Basically, I just wanted the shell, really. Get the engine right. You gotta fix all this too. Gotta fix up in there where that wheel rubbing at the shit. Fix that up. But all in all, it's a pretty clean car. Couple scratches right here. Somebody keyed it up. But I don't know, y'all. Tell me what y'all think or whatever. Go on my other page and check out that Malibu. That was running crazy. Tell me what y'all think of the deal. Man, I gotta check out Craigslist because you never know what's on there. Never know what somebody's looking for. They might have what you want. You might have what they want. But that's a little bit of the car. I know I had the other black one with the big block in it. So I pretty much traded the car with the big block for this car. Just been coming across some nice little deals, I guess. Let's shot of the insides. We'll use these ratchet shifters. This size is pretty good though. You don't see a lot of them with this color interior either. But I think that's about it for y'all. So yeah, we'll holler at y'all a little bit later. IROC's on there though. IROC's on there. We'll switch it up though. Tell me what y'all think though.